Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got a Clone Army Customs package. So let's get right into this. So here we got the invoice and the package. The products itself. Right into here. Here we go. So you can kind of get a glimpse of what I've gotten already. But yeah, let me dump this out. So it is a relatively small haul. I picked up all their new RP2 helmets, so I can have a collection of all of them that they've released so far. I got their new Captain Vaughn helmet. Only I got it with a regular orange detail sun visor because I didn't like how the dark orange looked. Got a couple Phase 1 visors. This will go on a Cody and this will go on a regular Trooper. I also got a Commander jetpack for Cody, and I got a Trooper jetpack for the 501st Rocket Trooper. It looks like I got 2 free guns, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna put all these together and I'll show you what they look like. Yeah. So this is the Captain Vaughn helmet that CAC just released about a week ago. It's pretty cool. This is with the orange detailed sun visor. This is what it looks like without it, so you can get a better look of it. So far, I think this is pretty cool. They got like the printed shadows for the visor and stuff. Here's the new Rocket Trooper helmet. This helmet is really awesome. I'll show you it on Lego's Rocket Trooper, and it just adds a whole nother level of detail. This is the Battlefront 2 version, in the dark red. This looks amazing as well. Just love the detail on it. This is the Devis helmet. It's essentially a 501st Trooper helmet, just in red. And yeah, that's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Here is the 501st helmet. They've released like 2 other versions, a concept and a misprinted one. This is the official one now. Then this is the official 327th Trooper helmet. I was waiting for the misprinted one to come out, and it finally did, so I made sure to cop that. This is a Wolfpack Trooper helmet. I got the previous one before. They're very similar, but again, it looks very cool. Now here is Lego's Rocket Trooper with CAC's helmet and jetpack. And you can see just how much it enhances the figure with all the details and printed work on the jetpack and the helmet. Here's what it looks like without the jetpack. With this helmet in particular, I feel like it fits in with Legos really well, because most times when you have a super high detailed helmet, it just doesn't seem quite right. This is what it looks like if you were just to buy the helmet and keep the original jetpack. It looks good either way, so I would definitely recommend getting this helmet. Now here's just a comparison with the regular Rocket Trooper that Lego has released, just if you needed a refresher. And here's the RP2 Cody with the Commander jetpack. So this is my haul combined, both of them. I also forgot to mention I got 2 backpack grab bags. So that's all the backpacks in the background. But yeah, these are all the helmets and stuff together. It's a pretty decent haul. All the new RP2 helmets. The Jango Fett pistols that came with Cody. A couple visors. A couple freebies. So I'm very happy with my CSE haul. Can't wait to see what they will do in the future. And yeah, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.